morning everyone. It's Friday.
Friday, gotta get down on Friday.
It's Friday and it's the 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November.
Yeah, we also put for November.
It's bonfire night.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean?
Bonfire night. What do you mean?
Don't you know what bonfire night is?
Mommy.
How have I got a 9-year-old that doesn't know what bonfire night is?
What are you talking about?
You need to put your top on before you come on camera.
Wait. Oh, come on.
She has a top on now. She won't put a top on. I've been chasing her around all morning to put a top on. It just says I know what fireworks are. I mean, I know like last year.
I know what fireworks are, but I don't know what bonfire is.
I mean, I know last year we didn't do anything because of COVID, and I know the year before Blake was only little, so we didn't bother doing anything. So for the past like 2 years, we've not bothered. But we've gone out and watched other fireworks, and then we used to go to a display in Asken. So I don't know, but anyway, you didn't actually know the term bonfire night. Oh, he's just forgot. I think he's probably just forgot because we've definitely mentioned it before.
Because we haven't done it for 2 years, probably.
Yeah, but can't you remember going out last year and watching all the fireworks and stuff?
Yeah, what was that bonfire?
Also, I think because like a lot of places don't actually have bonfires anymore, it is just fireworks. They kind of have fireworks and then like fun fair rides and food and stuff like that. It drives me mad because, I mean, it's just meant to be bonfire and fireworks, but they just turn it into like so many fairground rides and end up spending a fortune. It's just ridiculous. But tonight, I think if we can get in, because we haven't actually booked any tickets, I think we're just gonna go up to like a local pub, and they've actually got a bonfire and some fireworks. This one is just playing Ryan. Say, remember the 5th of November. How does this happen? I've just totally lost the lid to the butter. Where is it? I've just done us some toast. I'm having cheese on toast. Corb's having spaghetti on toast. And look, the lid's gone. I don't know where I've put it. That busy looking for the lid, I've totally destroyed my my cheese on toast. I stuck it in the microwave and I left it in a bit too long, and it's now just looks like puke. It's proper melted like loads. I'm gonna have to wait for it to set again, and hopefully it won't be too bad because I can't be asked to do it again, and I still haven't found the lid. So David's just got back. He's been to his dad's to, I think I did mention a couple of vlogs ago about David's dad doing some canvases.
Look at this one. Tyson, the goat.
Wow, I absolutely love that.
And look at them, the man with a plan. Look at them.
They are ace. I absolutely love them. Thank you.
Where's this going up there?
Yeah, that's going there.
Straight.
That looks ace.
Can't see on a slant. It looks good, that, doesn't it?
It looks loads better in real life than on camera. It looks a lot smaller. Look at it through camera. It looks small, doesn't it?
Yeah. You can zoom in or move closer.
Yeah, no, but I'm just saying, like, in even comparison to everything, it looks small.
People send me pictures.
We're gonna have to, is one going over there and one's going over
Yeah.
there?
Treasured moments, canvases and personalised gifts.
On Facebook. Not there. Yeah, I'll link it in the description below. Treasure moments, canvases and gifts on Facebook. It don't look good there at all. So here we are, all put up. There we go. You can even see the Tyson one through the mirror. Oh, I absolutely love that. What are you doing?
Doing? Hey?
And then that
They
there.
playing?
What did you just say?
Mommy, happy birthday.
She said, Mummy's so pretty. We were doing counting and we were going 1, 2, 3.
It's bingo.
It's a Pringle.
It's in the bingo.
And we were counting and she went, oh, well done, Mummy. And she says, Mummy's so pretty.
Mommy's happy.
Do you think I call Blakey pretty a lot? Is that where you got it from? Is it because I say, Blakey's so pretty?
Mommy's so pretty.
You're so funny. Wow. in the car on the way. Yeah. And we're here
At the bonfire.
Can you see the fire?
Look at the stars.
Wow.
That is fire, guys. That is what is called fire. That,
Look at that.
it looks like
Whoa.
the end of the Mortal Kombat game where like the Mortal Kombat logo turns into flares. Oh, you can see the flares dropping
I
out.
know.
And then they like burn off in the concrete.
Whoa, it's very busy.
Talking about COVID. Oh, God, man, it. It's ridiculous. They don't start till
What did you just say? It's hard to hear.
I said it's very busy.
Yeah, because all these people are chatting.
Yeah.
Oh, my nose.
more interested in kids.
You like it?
Show the camera that.
Does she not like it?
Are they done?
Well, we should have got some.
Oh, they're doing Fireworks are great inventions, man.
So, fireworks in the background. We're on our way back to the car. Blake doesn't like it. We didn't get her any ear muff things, defenders, which we should have done. So,
That's why it
oh,
hurts me.
can't see anything. So yeah, we're heading back to the car. Next year, let's get some ear defenders. Oh my battery's going just in time.
But the
Was it-
flashing was pretty, weren't it? The flashing was good.
No, it's out.
Was it too loud?
Mom wants to home.
We'll go home now, yeah? Okay, let me strap you in. 7:45, literally 45 minutes after the fireworks started. We're home and Blake's sock on. She's asleep. They only started at 7.
I kept saying to her, put your hood up, because it's cold and your ears will get cold. She's like, no, no, no. As soon as firework went, she went, hood up like this.
Yeah, you had it, didn't you?
Yeah,
She was.
She was having none of it.
It was.
As soon as she got in the car, she was like, yeah, I'm okay, I'm fine.
It was really loud. Normally though, when they do kids fireworks, because they were doing a set at 7 and then another set at 8, so, well, I thought anyway, I don't know, like the kids fireworks tend to be a bit more toned down, a bit more not as loud maybe. I don't know, that's what I'd do anyway. Yeah, she didn't like it, bless her. but it were really good. I enjoyed it. It were really nice. It were just nice to go to something a bit more traditional with a bonfire. I love fireworks when I'm there. I think they're great. I wanted to stay, but as soon as I get in and the dog's barking and going mad, you know, trying to get the baby to sleep, to be fair, she went straight away, no bother. Like, I want to rage. I'm like, I hate them. They do my head in. But when I'm out watching them, I think they're great. Anybody else, or is that just me? But I'm going to end the vlog here. Now I've rambled on about that. Because I'm going to get some food. I'm hungry. They went to McDonald's before we went, but I didn't get anything. So I'm going to grab some food. So thank you.
Neither did I. Callum, if you're watching.
Yeah, you did.
I had nothing. I literally had nothing for hours. I'm starving.
You had chicken and rice earlier on though, didn't you?
Hours ago.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.